In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on About Device. Now click on device name and type in whatever you want to. Like Sunny. When you finished, select Save over here. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, name of my device has changed. If you want to, you can also go into Bluetooth section here, activate it, then tap on device name and change it from here the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!